I done seen sex weaponized, love monetized, and truth demonized. In the hood where we glorify pain and fantasize pride. Where a body count get you stripes quicker than a book. And a broke man still get judged by how rich he look. They tell us chase coochie like it got a crown, but don't tell about the spirits we invite when we laying down. We pop pills to escape, not to heal. And more politics in the hood, ain't nothing but pain in a suit, dressed to kill. I ain't perfect, I done slipped sin and played dumb. But I woke up one day, act why my son gotta see me act numb. It's deeper than just strippin, trappin and flashin still. I want more than a lick, I want land, peace, and something real. So I speak like I walk, heavy, southern, soul fed. And if you call that salt, you ain't never bled. Ain't no shame in growing, only fools stay stuck. And I ain't trying to be a legend of self-destruction just for a quick buck. Yeah. I done laid up with devils that moan like Saint. Pretty face, evil soul, got me twisted in the paint. She said you a king while stealing out my safe. Fake love feel better than real hate, that's the chase. Pop bottles for a body I ain't even respect. Posted on story, never showed the intellect. I was raised by strip clubs and mixtape lies with sex equal value and women weaponized. We chase thighs, not peace, then wonder why we broke. Blow a bag on a date but won't fund a vote. Say we real but scared of a woman with depth. We want loyalty, but our hands still slip, I ain't preaching. I'm confessing my past. I was lusting through trauma, calling that love fast. Till I met a queen who ain't dance for the thrill. She said you can't build if your mind won't heal.
They send food stamps like hush money for rage. Trying to trap it to a stage, then judges on page. We vote blue or red, still end up black and dead. All that change talk, but we stuck in the feds. I seen preachers politic with coke in the trunk. A mayor sell hope, while the corner boy sunk. Man, I trust a dope man more than the system. At least he tell you what the product is with no wisdom. Gas high, rent high, faith low. We glorify clout and it's folks that grow. The hood praise violence more than peace. Till you bleed on your white tee and cry for the priest. These ain't bars, it's survivor scrolls. Written in chalk on a project pose. I don't hate America, I just know the code. They sell us lies and we buy them all.
Yeah, I ain't no scholar, but I read my pain. Turn trauma into blueprint, storm in the game. I don't flex to impress, I invest to live. Put books in my son's hands, show my daughter to give. Sex don't define me, it's deeper than hips. I want a partner who speak life when my focus slip. She don't cook, but she pray, that's food for the soul. She don't post every move, but she playing a role. I ain't rich, but I'm done thinking small. On a little land now, built a fence and a wall, kept some real ones close, let the leeches flow. Cut ties with some kin who ain't carried a boat. We still in the hood, but we thinking clean. No more trauma trophies or Instagram dreams. Just black peace, black grind, black wealth, and a toast to the day we learn to love ourselves.
They won't respect.